Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment card on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your payment card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll all the way down, and you're going to be able to see Payments, View and Update your payment details. Click on that, and then this is where you could actually go ahead and change your payment card on the Target app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payment card on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.